What's up guys, it's NormalGuy30. Today I'll be bringing you guys another video from The Wolf Among Us. Last time I played, I had seen that Beauty had been working at the Open Arms Hotel. And I didn't get to record this because something happened in the last episode that was not good. But I did get in the fight with Beast, which you guys have seen on the gameplay, so I'm going to skip that, and let's continue with this. And we broke into the good. And then?
Must have happened right here. Jesus.
Last night?
Yeah.
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Yeah.
Still, this is no place for someone like you. I mean, look.
Can we please not talk about this?
You see what kind of stuff happens here?
Just drop it. It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
But...
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay? Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
Nope.
Can't believe
this is a spoiler alert. It may be the Crooked Man, because she mentioned the Crooked Man earlier, and he ended up getting hanged, and his neck was crooked afterwards. I really don't know if it looks like it. Ashtray.
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not. He brought wine.
Classy.
Huff and puff, folks.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah.
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
We shouldn't even be in here.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
What is it?
The rips in the dress make me think our Mr. Smith likes to play hard. He's a violent man.
You need the dress to tell you that? Oh, I was getting the same idea from the fact that he cut her head off. Of course he's violent. He's a psychopathic killer. Oh, God, I'm sorry. This is a lot to process. God.
That's weird.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
What are you thinking?
There's a bite out of the apple. Could be Mr. Smith got hungry after he killed Lily. Had himself a little snack.
Jesus, he really is a cold-blooded sociopath, isn't he? Oh my God, that poor girl. What did she walk into? She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person
Sounds like there was a series of choices involved. I'm sure she'd have done things differently if she knew where things were headed.
Yeah. She must have been so scared.
The heck? That is some weird music.
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
Maybe she didn't see it coming.
Looks like she was lying down when she was killed. Flowers were already here.
How do you know that?
Blood pattern. Also, I'd say the body was dragged off the foot of the bed. There.
The body. Jesus. You could say she. Poor girl. I just can't even imagine. Oh no, there's more? What? What now? Bigby!
It looks like Snow's coffin from the book. He's reenacted the scene with her lying here, surrounded by flowers. Mr. Smith put Lily to rest here.
You're right, but there's nothing restful about what happened here. That psycho put that poor girl on this bed and cut her head off. God, I'm just having trouble processing all of this. This guy has some kind of weird snow obsession, but then there's this other stuff, too. Stopping for a snack after you cut off somebody's head is just inhuman. I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer. How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby. This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. You'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
The next step closer. What is it?
Rain.
So, Green is a weird, perverted psychopath. Okay. Plus murder.
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
He's dying to like you. Obviously, they'll have to make changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
I accuse him of not caring about Snow, persuade him to talk. I persuaded Duldy to talk. I let Snow to come to the trip track with me. I hit Georgie, and I did not keep punching beasts. So I think I did some good decisions. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Please subscribe to my channel and check out some more of my videos. And leave a comment what you guys want me to do for my next videos. I'll talk to you guys later. No Guy 20 out.